Hello everyone, this is Ebook, and today's video I want to be teaching you guys how to produce a tiles cleaner, a very strong and effective tiles cleaner. This production is not just for the cleaning of tiles. You can also use this to clean your other ceramics. You can use it to clean things like your toilet. It makes those surfaces shine very bright. That's the effectiveness of this production. So if you want to be producing something to be cleaning tiles, then I think this video is for you. You just watch what I'm doing, follow the measurement if you wish to produce for more liters, because this production is actually for 5 liters. So if you want to produce for 10 liters, you can do well by doubling my recipe. If you want to produce for more liters, you just increase the recipe. You know how to increase it. So like I said before, so many houses today are tiled. A lot of houses are made with tiles. So this is a very good business to venture into. Now this tiles cleaner makes the tiles to have a sparkling look. So it's something that will sell very well. If you wish to go into the production of tiles cleaner, you want to be producing agents for cleaning of tiles, then watch this video, focus and concentrate with everything I'll be doing, so that you can produce a very good one and you can venture into this business. So watch and see everything I'll be doing. Don't forget, I conduct online classes on WhatsApp. If you want to enroll, you can check the description of this video. You will find a link. You just simply click on that link. It will take you straight to my class on WhatsApp, or you can reach me on the number displayed on the screen of this video to join the class. I have ebooks available. The ebook has a lot of production and formulation of different skincare and household cleaning products, such as the liquid soap, the powder detergent, the laundry bar soap, the body cream, the hair shampoo, the hair cream, the bleach. You will learn a lot from the ebook. The ebook also has information on how to obtain a NAFDAC registration number. It also has information on where NAFDAC offices are. It has their addresses on where they are in different states in Nigeria, or in all the states in Nigeria. Then if you don't know where to purchase chemicals in your state, you can also do well by purchasing this ebook, so that you will know where to buy your chemical, because the ebook has addresses on where chemicals are sold in different states in Nigeria. Don't forget, there's a lot you will gain from purchasing my product. If you want to go into soap making, if you want to become a professional soap maker, then don't hesitate in purchasing my products. They are very helpful. Then also, for those of you that are into laundry soap production and other skincare formulation like liquid soap, body cream, and you want to learn how to package your product, you know packaging has a way of promoting your product. It makes your product look outstanding. So if you want to learn how to package your product, you can do well by reaching me on the phone number displayed on the screen of this video to join the training on how to package. I teach people how to package, how to produce these packages at home. So I will teach you how to produce and package your soap at home. It's not hard. Just join this training on how to package. Reach me on the number displayed on the screen of this video to join the training on how to package your laundry bar soap with nylon or with cartons, and how to package your body creams container, your liquid soap. You will learn a lot. So after mixing this, I'm going to keep it overnight. I'm going to complete the production the following day. After 24 hours, this is how the production looks like. So some of the undissolved chemicals will be floating on top, while some will be at the bottom of this container. So I'll just scoop the undissolved one out. I'll scoop majority of the undissolved chemicals out and keep it aside. Now this is how to use a towels cleaner. You pour some of the towel cleaner on your towels. Make sure it has made your towels wet. Then leave it there for like 30 minutes before you mop the towels. You will see how effective this product is. Next, I'm going to be using a net filter to filter this production. You can choose to filter this several times so that it will have a more clearer appearance. So you can choose to filter this several times so it will have a clearer appearance. Don't forget. You may choose to also add a little fragrance in order to beat your competitors so that you can outsell them. Because we have a lot of people producing towel cleaner. So if yours have a nice smell, you can sell it more than them. Okay, so it's time for me to add the hydrogen peroxide. This is the time when you add it. You add it bit by bit because it's going to start lathering bit by bit. You can see what it's doing. Add some quantity again. You can see. So you have to be careful so it doesn't lather and pour out of the container. Just stir it slowly and see what it's going to do. It foams. So while it is foaming like this, you stir it slowly so it doesn't pour out of the container. Just slowly. Then later the foaming will reduce. This is how hydrogen peroxide behaves. It's just a natural chemical reaction hydrogen peroxide exhibits. So I want to thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video to others that you think will benefit from this video, that will want to be producing towels cleaner. This is a very powerful towels cleaner. It will make your towels have a very shiny appearance. It's good for cleaning towels and other ceramics like your toilet, your shanks, and anything that is like a ceramic. It will make it have a sparkling look. Don't forget to reach me on WhatsApp to join the online class. Goodbye and see you next time on our next video.